Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's WarriorPlus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I just refreshed the page here to show you it's not a fake screenshot. I'm live here in my all-time account for my WarriorPlus products. Get my little pencil out here and show you what's important on this page. I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video the free tools and systems you can use that I've been using and our team uses to generate the results that we're sharing with you today. So you'll see in the right hand column over here, I've now earned $19,308.27, and product sales in this column here are now at $37,849.17. And over here on the left hand side, you see the products. I've now sold 4,020 products. Now, one of the key things to know here that's really important is the majority of this is profit, because I promote these offers with free traffic, and I can teach you how to do the same. So it's low ticket affiliate marketing, and we start with low ticket affiliate marketing so you don't get into a lot of debt, because what you'll see here is that this product here costs $5 a month. So you're not going to be getting, starting with low ticket affiliate marketing, and you're not going to be getting into a lot of debt with high ticket products. But you'll see that the profit is there. We're using free traffic and turning low ticket products into thousands of dollars of profit. So we'll just delete that, and I want to show you now. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to show you, see this product here, it says TCG system, the all new click generator. I'm just going to show you on here. I'm going to go into the results here for my all time for the all new click generator, which is a $5 a month product. We'll click on search. WarriorPlus is really good for getting your stats and data. It brings up all your information. And what you'll see here, the most important thing is this circular arrow on the right hand side that says recurring payment. So what I highly recommend that you do when you start affiliate marketing is you promote membership subscription offers, because then once you've got 2 referrals with the click generator, when you get your 3rd referral, you're into profit, and you're going to be earning profitable passive income, because as you can see here, these are monthly recurring payments that come in month after month. And in this case, like this one here, year after year, is nearly 2.5 years, because the members are happy members. They're getting autopilot bias traffic, and they're also affiliates, a lot of them, so they're into profit. So all of these circular arrows that you see down the right hand side here, new ones, gaps here where new ones are joining, all these circular arrows here is all profit, every single month, profitable passive income. And when you get into profit with low ticket products, you can reinvest a percentage, and then you can scale up with higher ticket products. But the key thing and the most important thing is to get into profit with affiliate marketing. This is the systems that we use. So the link in the description will take you to a page where you come to these systems here. I've created systems for the most successful bias traffic, autopilot bias traffic products. And all you do is follow the system and proven steps below. These systems are totally free. You can clone them for free, and all the video tutorials are on these pages, step by step. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, you'd have to worry. You could just follow the steps, set everything up, and you just set them up once and use them for life. And you continue to promote one link. And I teach you on these pages how to promote one link and make multiple sales and earn multiple commissions. And if you want the complete system, there'll be a link pinned to the first comment. And watch this video here, and I teach you not only to get your buyer traffic for free. That's the most important thing with paid traffic. Become an affiliate, promote the traffic offer. Everyone needs traffic. Get your traffic for free first of all, and then continually promote the affiliate programs and get into profit. And then you can scale up to whatever level you wish to scale up to. So this video here, the page to this video will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. And then below that video, there's a lot more information for you on how to get started. And there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or product claims or guarantees in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new uploads. And if you want to visit my blog, my blogger, barrycrossonline.com, there'll be a link in the description to visit my blog. And there's lots of tools and traffic and systems on how to become successful with affiliate marketing. If you've got any questions, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. Or any comments, would appreciate any comments if you've enjoyed today's video. My email address is always in the description. If you do want to send me an email, I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.